Hey guys, so I wanted to ask you some questions about warranty. Couple of reasons for this. One, I have a Sirocco Hammerjet, as you guys know. It has spent more time not working than working. Basically, when you went to start the machine, the screen is shut off. The only thing I can do is pull the battery. Although it has cut out now. Now I spoke to Sirocco and they said that it's either caused by a faulty battery, we tried multiple batteries, so we don't believe it's that, or there is a short somewhere that's causing a high resistance, causing the machine to shut down. I decided, now I don't recommend you do this because these machines are $22,000 a piece, but I don't listen to my own advice sometimes, so I stripped mine down. Now, what I found, the emergency stop sits at the side here. Inside this, it is broken off. Now, the emergency stop isn't activated at the moment, so the machine still starts up and runs and everything else. You know, it's, for all intents and purposes, the emergency stop is not on, but we still do have an issue somewhere. They have offered to do the repair for me. The problem I have with that is I've had multiple issues with these turbine systems and they are problematic. We don't know if the error is in the turbine itself. We don't know if it's electronics at the top end. We don't know if it's just, we don't know. To send it back to Denmark, it's nearly 800 just to send it back. That's just the postage for the pallet. I've got that each way. Retaking out the warranty, another £1,000 for 2 years. We're gonna be talking the thick end of 5 grand to send back this machine that has been nothing but problematic. But it got me thinking about warranty. You see, I actually had a site meeting this morning before this with a customer to talk about the warranty. Now I did a job, if you guys remember, it was way back, it was before Christmas. I put the job in for this customer and we did everything in thermoplastic because, well, for a couple of reasons. The main reason, that's what they requested. Now, I have moved a lot into thermoplastic in the last 6 months. It's never been the product that I've recommended or raved about. Whenever anybody asks me about line marking, I always talk spray and I want MMA or acrylic 2K epoxies, but very rarely do I recommend using thermoplastic. Simply because I think it's quite an old school method and I think it's sort of moving out of fashion, but it's still here and will be in England at least for another 20 years, sort of the go-to product, I believe. The reason we've gone to it is simply because we get asked for it by our customers. Not because it's better, but it's because it's what they expect. The thing is, on this job, it was the best product. This was on a concrete surface in a lorry park. Now, you might be saying,
Alex, thermoplastic is definitely not the best product for concrete. You'd be better off going with an acrylic with a primer, or better yet, use an MMA, way better.
And I'd agree with you, because MMA is definitely the way forward. We have a couple of different options. We give them 3 different options on the paints. And we don't say, which paint would you like? We say, how durable would you like it? You can have a 3 out of 5, a 4 out of 5, or a 5 out of 5. And each product has its own star rating that we basically give it and decide whether we think it's better or worse. I was grateful that we used it on this project on concrete for one reason, because it dries fast. And when I say fast, 5 minutes, right? 5 minutes, it's cured. Now, the reason that was important to me is because the customer wasn't willing to shut their site. They wanted the site open 24/7 and they are busy. And when I say busy, I mean busy with lorries. And it meant that we were getting the lines on the floor, and I'm not joking, within seconds they were driving over them. Didn't matter if we put cones out. I mean, we take cones to all of our jobs. We put cones out, we put barrier tape out, they'd just drive over it. Wouldn't make a difference. I've got guys literally working and a lorry driving past at like 10, 15 miles an hour, 40 odd tons, driving straight past them within half a meter of where they're working. Absolutely appalling. In addition, when we do our quotations, we offer a warranty, and the warranty that we offer is in fact the longest warranty on the planet for line marking. No one else does a longer warranty. For as long as you hold a subscription, your warranty is covered. Now, this customer didn't want the warranty. I complained at the time and said, listen, we put the lines down, within seconds, your guys are driving over the top of them. I've now got black marks all over those lines and they need repainting. Are you going to pay for them to be redone, or are you going to accept them with the black marks on them? And he said, no. We're not accepting this. You need to redo them. And I said, fine, I'll redo them if you stop the traffic immediately. Customer wouldn't stop the traffic, too much money at stake. We carry on. I said, that's fine, we won't redo it. 2 months later, the customer phoned me up the other day and he said, Alex, we're not happy, we've got concerns, some of the lines are breaking up, we need you back here, we need it doing immediately. And I said, okay, you've gone for thermoplastic against our advice, ours was for MMA, but fine. Thermoplastic will work with a primer. We're happy that it's a suitable product to use. However, we did mention at the time, obviously, you weren't giving it time to cure. You were driving on it within seconds. It did not have time to cure to the surface, and we used a primer, and we went through all the products we used, and I think that's caused a bit of the issue. Next concern, you didn't take out the warranty. Now, we offer the warranty. It's completely optional. You don't have to take it. But I don't bake a warranty into my price. I give it as an option. And the reason being is I want to be able to give you the best price I can for your line marking. So they didn't take the warranty. And he said, well, what are you going to do, Alex? Like, we want the warranty. We want it all doing. And I said, yeah, that's fine. But you didn't take out a warranty. We can sell you a warranty now if you want. And he said, whoa. I'm not happy, Alex. I want this doing. I want it doing immediately. And you're going to pay the bill. It's a difficult one. Because on the one hand, I want to keep the customer happy. On the other hand, I have a business to run. If I were to take a very firm approach, I would say,
no, buy the warranty, or we don't do the repairs.
The other way, of course, is you can say, okay, I'll take this one on the chin, we'll just do the repairs. Do you guys, this is my question to you, do you offer your customers a warranty? And if so, why do you offer them that warranty? Is it because the customer has asked you for it? Is it because you think it's an industry standard? Is it because you think you're legally obliged to offer it? What's the reason? Is it a sales tactic? And if you do offer a warranty, how do you pay for it? Because you can expect that perhaps a certain percentage of your work may get callbacks. And I don't want to hear anybody saying my work's amazing, I never get a callback. You're talking Your work does get callbacks and you know it, same as mine. I get callbacks as well. So my question is, how do you cost it? Me personally, I went to see this guy today, Marcin. I had a chat with Marcin and I said, you know what? I'm gonna cover this for you. But the reality is I also looked at it and went, how big's the customer? What sort of work is there in the pipeline for us to do with these guys again? Will this goodwill gesture actually work for us? Is it gonna cost me considerable money? How much is that gonna be? And all these factors get weighed in. And also, what's their attitude like? I obviously try and steer people towards the warranty. If it's gonna cost me more than 100 quid, 200 quid, take the warranty or we don't do the job. But that's really my question to you guys. How long do you hold a warranty? What do you cover in your warranty? What do you exclude from your warranty and how do you pay for it? You charge your customers for it? You just take it on the chin every single time? So really that's my question to you guys. What do you do? How do you manage yours? Because I'm always looking to learn from you guys. As much as I run a business and have done for a few years, and don't get me wrong, I think our warranty is great. I absolutely love it. I think it's the best warranty out there, but that doesn't mean I'm not willing to learn from other people. And I would love your opinion. I would love you to tell me, where do you think I'm going wrong? How can I do better? And how can you teach me? Because I'd love to learn what you guys do and find out from you exactly how you do it. I'm super excited about this. Now, it's nothing to do with line marking. So if you want to switch off, end it here and switch on to another video because it has nothing to do with line marking. But I am doing a massage therapy course. Now, I know what you're thinking, right? Everybody goes for massage. There's kind of an implied happy ending at the end of this. But well, I guess that is the point, right? So I booked 2 days worth of training to do a massage therapy course. Now, I'm pretty excited about this because I obviously don't know how to do it yet, but I was talking to Harry about this. Harry does obviously all the video editing. You guys have met him a few times. And Harry and I have decided to film it. Well, not with my wife. Well, actually it will be with my wife, but not the way you're thinking. We're making a massage therapy business. Now, I don't know if you guys know, but I recently started another channel called Alex Builds It, where we essentially build businesses and basically invest 10 grand into a company and we have 90 days to make it profitable. But these are companies that we start from scratch, not a business that already runs. So for example, we've just started a brand new line marking company called Edgy Lines here in the UK. So in fact, the first 2 videos I have just released, so you've probably already seen them. In fact, I am gonna post them at the end of this video so you can watch the first 2 episodes of us starting a brand new line striping company. But we've got a couple of other companies that we started as well, which I'm super excited about. And so Harry and I have actually filmed the very first episode. I'm gonna link that up here so you guys can watch it. It's the first episode we filmed on starting a massage therapy business for couples. We also launched a brand new line marking company called Edgy Lines. Again, first 2 episodes are live. There's gonna be a delay on the next few episodes because I'm away So each of these businesses, the same premise. Basically, I've got 90 days and 10 grand to get them launched from scratch. So we're literally investing the money out of my own pocket and giving it a go. We've got 2 other companies that we're also doing. So I don't know if you noticed, there is a brand new workbench behind me. What do you think? Guess who built that one? We've also got another brand new workbench over here. Now, we've launched this other company. Well, I say we've launched it. We've made some trial pieces. The company itself, I haven't launched yet, but there are 2 other companies in the making. One of them is going to be called Benchcraft, where we make workbenches like this and packing benches. This one we've made on caster wheels, so we've got an idea. Now, arguably, this one I've made wrong. Okay, I'll admit I made it wrong, but it's a start because we've got to practice basically, can we do it and make a business out of it? And because I was building out the workshop to build, and buy all the sort of bits and pieces, the wood shop stuff that we needed, I decided we'd start another company, which is a mud kitchen company that we've called Mud and Maple. Now, neither of those 2 are launched yet. They're going to be launched in the summer. So arguably we're going to miss the summer peak that I would like to hit. But the reality is I need to miss them because we've also got a line marking company that we've just started. We've got a winter gritting company that we've just started. And we've also got now, our massage business, which we've just started. Anyway, sorry, it's a bit of a tangent I've gone off there because obviously nothing to do with line marking at this point. But I'm gonna go back in, have a cup of tea. And yeah, that's it for this one. I will see you guys in the next one.